Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to make a road on Apple Maps. And let's get started by open Apple Maps application. After that you can or click at the search bar and write your destination, or you can find this place or you can set the point in the map. Okay, let's say I want to add the point. We have it. You can also write destination. After that you can select transportation mode. So it's walking, driving, cycling or transit. Also we have the latest mod, but it only for the taxis, so if you need it you can select it. Now my location service is enabled, so it automatically catch up my location, but you can also change it. You can write something else like a start point, and then you need to you can change marked location if you want to. The best part that we can also add only for the car, so for the cycling we cannot add it, also for the walking and for the public transport, but for the car we can add the stop. So you can do this, also write some location at the search bar. After that click at the go. Also you have some presets, so right now I have only one for the walking. For the car I have 3. Select the best one for you, click go. And we have it. As I said, as I just did, we can mute the voice. If you don't need it, just click at the speaker icon and click to mute, or you can lower it, the volume. And now we have the road. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.